Take a look at this channel. It gained more than 200,000 subscribers with just 52 videos. This is a completely new and fresh niche that still has a lot of potential to grow. The channel creates what-if videos related to the human body and health, which are very interesting. Because of the AI visuals, people leave a lot of comments and engagement increases. Overall, this niche has very high viral potential. The videos are in English, so the audience mainly comes from the United States, which means the earning potential is also very high. And if you think there will be a lot of competition in this niche, you're wrong. The competition is still very low, and there is a huge opportunity for new creators to grow quickly. There are very high chances that your channel can grow in this niche and you can achieve great success. Even though the process of making these videos is very easy, there is a small trick behind it. So let me quickly teach you how to create these types of videos so that you can grow faster too. To make videos like this, the first step is idea generation with context. There are two best ways to generate ideas. One, by yourself. In this case, you need to analyze similar channels and think of new and fresh ideas that have the potential to go viral. This method usually has higher chances of success because you understand the context and audience better too. With the help of AI, you can also use AI tools to generate unique and interesting what-if ideas related to the human body and health. There is a strong chance that your channel can go viral, especially if you have some knowledge of the market. But in my case, I'm going to do everything using AI because I don't have much knowledge in this category. So for this, the first thing I'll do is open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. This prompt is actually a mega prompt that includes all the basic details and precautions you need to follow. Make sure you read it carefully, and you can also modify it according to your needs. If you want to add something or change anything, you can easily do that. Now I'll run the prompt, and after that, ChatGPT will give us a basic analysis. And it will also generate 10 video ideas. From these, you can choose any one idea, or you can simply type more ideas to get additional suggestions. But for now, I'll select one idea from the list. What if your heart beat twice as fast forever? I'll copy this idea, paste it into the prompt box, and run the prompt again. After that, ChatGPT will generate a complete breakdown, including the voiceover for each scene along with the visual prompts, VO plus VFX prompts. Now comes the next step, scene generation. For this, we need to copy scene 1 from the results. Make sure you copy the full voiceover. And copy the VO3 prompt as well. Now you need to go to Google Flow. Here, simply sign in with your Google account. Some people say they don't have the pro version, but the good news is that it is currently available for free with some Geo recharge plans. You can claim it from the MyGeo app. After entering Flow, the first thing you need to do is change text to video to ingredients to video. Then paste the prompt for scene 1 that you copied from ChatGPT. After that, click on the plus icon and upload your. Then you need to upload the skeleton character. I will also provide this character in the description for you to download. Now from here, select the aspect ratio as 9:16. After that, in output count, you can keep it 1 or any number according to your preference. Next, in the model section, select VO 3.1 fast. Finally, run the prompt. In a short time, your video will be generated like this. First, let me play the video and show you. What if your heart suddenly started beating twice as fast and never slowed down? Now, in the same way, I will take the prompt for scene 2, I will copy it and run it with the same settings and the same character. Currently, an error is appearing saying failed generation. This happens because the prompt sometimes violates the policy, so we simply click this button to regenerate the same prompt. If it fails again, try running it once more. Usually, after 1 or 2 retries, the video gets generated with the same prompt. After that, we get a result like this. You can watch it as well.
Within hours, your blood starts getting thicker.
It kept showing the violation error, and even after trying multiple times, it wasn't getting fixed. So to solve this problem, I go back to ChatGPT and write this prompt. I am getting a continuous violation error in scene 4. Then ChatGPT generates a new prompt. I simply copy that prompt, go back to Google Flow, and paste it there. After running this new prompt, the video gets generated successfully. Well, I have already generated all the scenes and edited them together. Now I'll play the complete video.
What if your heart suddenly started beating twice as fast? and never slowed down. Within hours, your blood starts getting thicker.
Your brain feels it first.
Your kidneys slow down to conserve water. Your muscles lose strength fast. Your heart works harder to pump less fluid. One day without water stresses your entire body.
Things you should keep in mind. You can either keep the same voiceover lines generated by Veo 3, or if you want better results, you can generate the voiceover separately using 11 Labs or any other text-to-speech generator tool. In my case, I used the same voiceover that was generated. Because of this, during editing, I had to unlink the audio and video several times, since the main scene appeared only after the voiceover. Sometimes I also had to speed up the video, and in almost every clip I had to remove the unnecessary parts of the audio. I also had to cut some parts of the clips. All of this is very easy to do, and you will find these options in almost every editing software. Then, to mix the audio smoothly, I used a cross-dissolve transition. In the end, I also removed the background music, BGM, from the entire audio. So these are some small things you might need to do during editing. I did the editing in Premiere Pro, but you can easily do it on your phone as well. If you find this process difficult, you can simply generate the voiceover separately, and then adjust the video clips according to the voiceover. Anyway, you have already seen the final video. Well, that was the complete video. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can continue getting more videos like this in the future. The next video will be coming very soon. Until then, thank you for watching this video till the end. Love you.